Okay, we're back with our little tripod. I've told you already in the past in other videos, but maybe, right, you can't make enough of these videos that says black screen, nothing happens. What do I do now? When you update your system, in the terminal, I typed update. What did I see? I saw an Nvidia update. What did I not see? A Linux kernel update. So the marriage is a divorce. They should be a couple. Linux kernel updates, then there should be an Nvidia and vice versa. So I know, probably know what's going on. So let's try and film this a little bit. Oh my god, right? It's silly how steep it is. Control Alt F2, logging in to my system. RIP. Yeah, don't mind the code there. And at the bottom it says, let me try to show you at the bottom it says that there was an Nvidia update. And where's the Linux kernel? Oops, right? So that's already a tip to type RIP. Okay, maybe better do a clear, enter, and then we move back up to the top. Maybe it's already okay. So what happens is packages get diverged, how do they say that, get sent, voila, simple words. They get sent over the internet, and that was not my password. And one server is faster than the other one. No, I'm no such luck, so either I go eat and update later on. Who is the culprit? Who is the culprit? The mirror list. It's Osbeck. Again, he's not okay these days. He's sick. Yeah, that's what he is. So, by Osbeck, I will take the next one. Control X. Yes. Update. Let's do a clear maybe. Hop. Back to the top. There we are. And let's update from this server. There's nothing to do. Let's do a RAM then. Go and find me the fastest computers inside my neighborhood. See if we get lucky. Another thing you always can do is downgrade, right? But I'm lazy. I just want to get the new kernel in because probably they've made it, but it's just not synced yet. So updated this again. Nothing yet. So let me put that in there as well. Voila. So I do have a problem. I'm getting desperate already. Sweat in my neck, you know how it is. Oh, he put us back again as first one. Okay, not a good idea. I have got an idea. Let's see if I still have it. I go to cd etc pacman.t. You don't see it what I'm typing. Voila. etc pacman.t. What do I have there? I have ArcoLinux mirror list back new mirror list back new. What's that? So cat mirror list back new. What's this? That's just a list from no. So I don't have what I was looking for. Was my own list that we have on the ISO. And Rackspace is one of the good guys, and I thought maybe I can activate that. So I'd like to have Rackspace. Let's see, can I do this? And then there must be a button somewhere. Find, where is, there it is. Control W. And then Rackspace. Let's see if that's not found. Is not in the list of RAM. Okay, Give me another option, mirrors. And then we update. And then mirror. These messages meaning, oh yeah, it's one from Asia, means that he didn't get enough. This time it's not speed, it's like unreachable. So sometimes it's about speed, it's that there is no response, but this was clearly out. Somebody pulled the plug. Update. Still nothing there. Mirror D. Mirror D. Update. Incredible, right? Whoops. So this server is definitely is it behind or faster? It's faster. So this guy is actually faster. 11. Look at the ArcoLinux keyring at the top. It says ArcoLinux keyring local. Oh no, local. That's me. I have a newer one than that one, and that's from 09. So it's the server is bad, old. What is the last thing I typed? Mirror D. There's mirror X. He's off. Still the Asia guy. And then we update. Okay. Done enough trials. Maybe they did something wrong. It's possible, right? Downgrade Nvidia. That's all you need. The rest is settings and utils and all that. So downgrade Nvidia 495442. It must be run as root. Sure, I'm root. Okay, so I guess I was having actually number 314, I think. Whoops, the numeric key was not on. 314. So that's in my var cache pacman packages. So I guess that's the one I was using until everything broke. And then we say go. Let's skip Nvidia for now. Add Nvidia to ignore packages. Yes, please. I'll see when it's fixed. What did he say? Could not resolve. Oh, with this camera in front of me, it's difficult to read. I guess I need to resolve that as well. Nvidia utils. So 45 breaks dependencies required by Nvidia. So what if we do both of them? Is that possible? Never tried it actually. Okay, that looks like it's possible. 314, and then it comes with the other guy. Awesome, great software. Oh my god, right? Oh my god, this is working. And let's build this again. Let's do the reboot. Yes, we will. And then we hope for the best. It's always like that. Don't say it doesn't happen to me. It happens to all of us from time to time. One of the solutions could be installing Nvidia DKMS, right? So that this won't happen again, but then the loading is a little bit longer because it needs to build Nvidia then. Boom, back in business, right? Back in business. That's me, back in business. And this is important, right? This is the ISO builder. It needs to work. So now again, I think this is the first. Downgrading has been explained on videos, but downgrading Nvidia, I think that's the first. And two things at the same time. I've never done that as well. So I've learned. Great. Cheers.